What's the meaning of boozer? Boozer. Boozer.
Boozer. Boozer. The term boozer is a slang word used to refer to someone who is a heavy drinker or an alcoholic. It is often used in a derogatory manner to criticize someone's excessive drinking habits. People who are referred to as boozers may suffer from the negative consequences of alcoholism, including physical health problems, mental health issues, and relationship problems. The use of the term boozer implies a judgmental attitude towards individuals who struggle with addiction, and highlights the need for greater understanding and support for those who suffer from alcohol abuse.